guys, welcome back to my channel More About World in the episode 5 of Quizit. So let's begin the video, but before that remember to award 1 point each for each correct answer for each of the 10 questions which I am going to ask in this video. So let's start. Let's begin the first question of the video on your screen now. Operation Red Rose is an anti-illicit liquor campaign being implemented in which state? A. New Delhi, B. Punjab, C. Rajasthan, or D. Tamil Nadu. And your time starts now. Let's see what the correct answer is. And the answer is Punjab. In 2020, Punjab's Excise Department launched Operation Red Rose to curb illicit liquor trading and nail excise related crimes. Isn't that amazing? Now let's move to the second question. The United Nations General Assembly has designated the year 2021 as A. International Year Against Terrorism, B. International Year of Healthcare, C. International Year to Fight COVID, D. International Year of Fruits and Vegetables. And your time begins now. Any guesses, guys? Let's check what is the correct answer. And the answer is option D, International Year of Fruits and Vegetables. Now let's head to the third question for the third point. Who coined the term geography for the first time? A. Plato, B. Aristotle, C. Eratosthenes, or D. Ptolemy. And your time begins now. Before I tell you the answer for this question, do hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Now, let's check what the right answer is. And the answer is option C, that is Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes was a Greek mathematician who is famous for his work on prime numbers and for measuring the diameter of the earth. Isn't that wonderful? Now let's move to the fourth question for the fourth point. What is the name of the disappearing tweets launched by Twitter? Your options: fleets, tweeties, hides, or flocks. And your time begins now. Now let's see what is the right answer. And the answer is option A, that is fleets. Let's move forward with the fifth question. The Flamenco Festival is celebrated in A. Bihar, B. Karnataka, C. Kerala, or D. Andhra Pradesh. And your time is ticking fast. Now, how many of you have tagged the fifth point? Now let's check that. The answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. The annual Flamenco Festival began at Salurpeta near the Pulicat Lake Bird Sanctuary in Nellore, district of Andhra Pradesh. The festival was being held every year to bring together the people and various departments in the task of preserving the Pulicat Lake and surroundings. Isn't that wonderful? Now let's move to the sixth question. National Pollution Control Day is observed in the memory of Bhopal gas tragedy happened in which year? Your options: 1975, 1981, 1984, or 2003. And your time begins now. And before I tell you the answer of this question, do write in the comment box how much you have won till this question. And now let's see how many of you have won the sixth point. The answer is 1984. The Bhopal disaster, also referred to as the Bhopal gas tragedy, was a gas leak incident on the night of 2 to 3rd December 1984 at the Union Carbide India Limited pesticide plant in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. It is considered among the world's worst industrial disasters. Now let's head to the seventh question. Which among the following players of India was famous as Pocket Diamond? And your options: Leander Paes, Vijender Singh, K.D. Jadhav, or Gurbakh Singh. And your time begins now. Let's see how many of you have won the 7th point. And your answer, KD Jadhav. He was the first ever Indian Olympic medalist in an individual sport category who had won the medal when he was only 27 years old. Isn't that amazing, guys? Now let's move for the 8th point. What is the another name of Earth Summit? Rio Summit, Brasilia Summit, Geneva Summit or World Summit? And your time begins now. Let's check for the right answer. And the answer is Rio Summit. Time for next question for the 9th point. Which country won the first FIFA World Cup? Your options: Argentina, Uruguay, Italy or Brazil. And your time begins now. Here dies the time, and now let's see what the right answer to this question is. The answer is Uruguay. The 1930 FIFA World Cup was the inaugural FIFA World Cup, the world championship for men's national football teams. It took place in Uruguay from 13 to 30 July 1930. Isn't that amazing? Now let's move to the last question, perhaps the 10th one for the 10th point. Who was the first Indian to make a speech in Hindi before the UN General Assembly? Your options: Morarji Desai, Lal Krishna Advani, Lal Bahadur Shastri or A.B. Vajpayee. And your time begins now. The time has ended, and now let's check for the right answer. It's A.B. Vajpayee or Atal Bihari Vajpayee. India's former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee delivered a speech in Hindi on 4th of October 1977 as the country's foreign minister at the 32nd UN General Assembly. And that's all for today's video, guys. Don't forget to write in the comment box how much you scored among the 10th questions, and do subscribe to the channel if you like the video. And that's all for today's, guys. Goodbye.